Want to know how to see deleted search history on Facebook? Viewing deleted search history on Facebook can be important for various personal, practical, or security-related reasons. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see deleted search history on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Again tap on the Settings option. Likewise, scroll down to your Activity section and tap on the Activity Log option at the top. Furthermore, you can see the Search History option. Tap on it. Finally, you can see the deleted search history on Facebook. So this is how to see deleted search history on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.